That sharp burning pain racing from your spine to your foot might have a hidden cause your doctor missed. If you know the agony of sciatica, you have tried it all. Stretches, painkillers, maybe even considering surgery, but the relief never lasts. What if the real problem is not just in your back, but in something you are not getting from your diet? Today I will reveal the single most overlooked nutritional deficiency that fuels nerve inflammation and paralyzing pain. Understanding sciatica, more than just pain. Sciatica is not just pain. It is a lightning storm down your leg, a constant fire in your muscle. It steals your sleep, your mobility, and your peace. You focus on the physical, the slipped disc, the tight muscle, while an invisible saboteur makes everything worse. This deficiency quietly attacks your nervous system. Each day it goes unfixed. Your inflammation rages, healing stalls, and pain signals amplify. Your body is begging for a specific nutrient to calm the storm. So, what is this missing piece? It is not what most people guess. The critical nutrient, vitamin D. The critical nutrient is vitamin D now. Hold on, this goes far beyond bones. Vitamin D is a master regulator of inflammation and nerve health. Scientific research reveals a shocking link. Individuals low in vitamin D report more severe back pain, heightened pain perception, and slower recovery from nerve flare-ups. Why? Your spinal discs and nerves are covered with vitamin D receptors. They manage repair and calm inflammation. Without enough vitamin D, your body pumps out inflammatory chemicals. Your discs weaken and your nerves scream at the slightest touch. Your nerve pain is a nutrient crisis in disguise. But you cannot just run and buy a supplement. Here is the crucial first step you must take. The essential first step, testing. You need a blood test. Visit your doctor and request a vitamin D panel to discover your levels. Safe daily supplementation usually falls between 1,000 and 4,000 IU, but a severe shortfall may require a doctor's supervised plan. Never mega dose alone, it stores in fat and can become toxic. 2 essential partner nutrients. Vitamin D does not work alone. 2 other powerhouse nutrients are essential for nerve repair. Number 1. Magnesium. Think of it as nature's calming signal for your muscles. It oversees hundreds of bodily processes, including relaxing tense muscles. A shortage leads to tightness and spasms, squeezing your sciatic nerve further. Magnesium also helps activate. Vitamin D aim for 300 to 400 milligrams daily from supplements or foods like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. Number 2. Vitamin B12. This is the guardian of your nervous system. It builds the protective myelin sheath around nerves, like insulation on a wire. Low B12 degrades the sheath, causing signals to short-circuit, resulting in that awful burning and tingling. Heal the sheath, quiet the nerve. Those eating plant-based diets, older adults, or anyone on acid reflux medication are often deficient. The best supplemental form is methylcobalamin. Find it in foods like eggs, fish, and meat, or discuss B12 shots with your physician. For vitamin D, eat fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. Yet diet alone is rarely enough. Testing is key. Your 4-step action plan. Here is your simple 4-step action plan starting right now. Step 1. Book a doctor's appointment for vitamin D, magnesium, and B12 testing. Step 2. With your results, craft a targeted supplement strategy with a professional. Step 3. Add nutrient-rich whole foods to your plate. Step 4. Combine this nutritional approach with your physical therapy. Address both the mechanical and the metabolic. Your sciatic nerve is pleading for these building blocks. Supply them, and you give your body its best chance to mend. Healing is a journey, but the right fuel makes it possible. Conclusion. If this guide brought you clarity, please like this video. It truly helps our channel Natural Life Hacks reach others in pain. Subscribe and hit the bell for more science-backed health strategies. Share this with someone whose life is limited by sciatica. You could change their path. Take empowered action today. I will see you in the next video.